Don't touch. I'll give him this. This right here. You see, this is medicine. This is considered medicine in northeastern, Asia. But this is for the adults, and this larvae right here, the white ones, are for children. Like, let's give my son a bit of this. Ama. Kanu. I guess he didn't like it. But for myself, I love this kind of cuisine, extraordinary cuisine. Let's try one more time. Bye. Come, do bhai. It tastes like chicken. Let's not waste this unique food. I'm gonna apply 10-second rules and have it for myself. This I want to taste. Now I'll tell you how it tastes. The larvae itself tastes like chicken, but this one, it looks like hornet, but it's not. It's a species of hornet, but less dangerous and less venomous, less poisonous. Let's try it. I'm gonna try this. The head, I'm gonna throw it out. I can't explain you the taste, but it is quite tasty. Let's try another one. I really can't focus on this one. It tastes like chicken. Okay guys, thank you for watching.